Hello friends, good day. We are Xindun Power, 20 years manufacturer of solar inverters. For now, we are in the Solarex Exhibition on the Istanbul Exhibition Center. We are in the hall 5B21. So, just join us and I will tell you the advantage of us. We are 20 years manufacturers of inverter factory, and we have over 150 advisors, and we got 8 overseas warehouse. And this is our customized solution for you. You can have the product casing and do your local customization. And also for the package and the user manual, you can tell it to edit with your brand. And this is the other information about us for the factory production line and the case reference. And this is our range of solar inverter and the all-in-one solar power generator and the MPPT solar charge controller. Then just follow with me and I will tell you about our high efficiency solar inverter here. This is our standard model with a high efficiency up to 94%, and this is the premium model with the RGB lights and with the dual output. Meanwhile, we can have a Wi-Fi plug and to realize with the function of the remote data tracking and the remote monitor. So if you would like to discuss for more solar inverter solution, we are here waiting for you. Thank you.